bars that I've been spitting and this life that I've been living, I'ma go on a mission.
Take two for the trap job, platinum boy. See me putting in real whole milk on this side. Always remember, king never about the money. I'm trying before I stop the grind. I'ma try before I stop the grind. I'ma try before I stop the grind. Said I got my eyes on. My eyes on.
I just did it 24 years old in a bed. I'm in it, they already know my name. At the show, she gon'
Alright, it's early morning. Let's go see what we can see before the crowds get in, before it gets fucking insane again.
Long days, long and nice.
We got Jeeps and Lamborghinis. I think it's badass. So sick. Then we got a Bronco over here, fully built. Dope transaxles. So, Ram's doing it big. Especially when you can transport your Jeep on top of it. So sick. I'm a sucker for old schools, and that is gorgeous. Destroyer gray all the way around it. Coyote 5.0. Gorgeous. So today I plan on taking quite a bit of time going around checking some more stuff out, getting some of the show exhibitions in. Yesterday I hung out at the booth all day, so did a couple of interviews, Mishimoto, Nitto Tire, talked with MFR Engineering, finally got to meet those guys. Super cool. Check their products out because it seriously makes all the difference, especially when you're driving a brick. So let's see what kind of shenanigans we get into today. So one of the big things about this show that I don't think a lot of people are really getting is it's very big about off-road. So like Jeeps everywhere. Honestly, I would say that you're looking at 60% of this is going to be off-road and extension packages for the for anybody who's into trucks, Jeeps, 4x4s, whatever. You have a couple of halls that are dedicated directly to imports, muscle cars, racers, and then your everyday drivers. But everything else, honestly, is trucks. I mean, a lot of trucks. I told you, trucks. And then you come over here to the other side, you got a fully raced out Beamer, right? 3 Series. But what is it ran by? Supercharged 6.4 liter Hemi. Apache motor. Gnarly. Okay. Old school Porsche, right? Raced out. Cajun, Burberry interior, right?
In the back is a motor, but a proper motor. Oh, that's so cool.
Tesla powered. Crazy. Check that out. So I'm starting to get a small affinity for like BMWs, especially like the older square body style. This is gorgeous. So you got the gold wing here, right? Check this out. It's all about the detail. Quilted hood. Check out the interior. That is outrageous. Got your luggage strapped down, and make sure you get your whiskey in there. There you go. Wow. It's that interior. And then you just gotta look at the small stuff. You wanna go best of both worlds? There's your electric power, and there's your super. Short answer. Good Lord. All gorgeous.
$30 at a time. $35.
Chris, So y'all put in work.
Better realize.
All right, so we're out here now around Chris's car trying to fix a decal issue real quick, and something caught my attention. So I have the best piece of advice I could ever give you. Here you go. Don't bust your knuckles, bust your nuts. Chris. When you have absolute polar opposites on the ground, in space, on the ground, in space, thing's massive. This show's completely tripping me out because, like, when you think you're done, when you think you've seen it all, you're absolutely incorrect. This is only what, day 2? Day 2. There's still 2 days left. And yeah, apparently there's a Copo Camaro at the Chevy booth that is all electric. What? How's that? Alright, well, we're gonna go see it. It's crazy seeing the cars you follow on Instagram in real life.
I don't care what you do.
All right, so Sema, man, when you think you've seen everything there's to see about a car, you see a fully exposed Baja setup. Like, just insane, man. Just insane. My battery's about to die, so I'm putting the camera away. But there it is. Sema, day 2, and we're still getting wild.
Stay in the life of me.